1970s racing. It was dangerous, it was sexy, and that's what we wanted to sort of bring about with this car. My name is Nikita Briden. Along with my twin brother Iliya Briden, we brought out the oil stain lab Half11. It's our first time. We're having a blast here. So it's a front 911 tub, originally sliced here, hence the name Half11. And then that's welded to a custom tube frame chassis. So the fun part, which is back here, we've got an LS3 motor that's been highly modified. Basically big bore, short stroke, around 5.8 liters, 650 horse on pump gas, revs to 8,500 RPM. And then for exhaust, we're running crossover 180 headers, 3D printed the entire thing out of Inconel. So this car is obviously the prototype. It's constantly evolving. Our next step is basically a coupe. So it's an aluminum roof, a windshield, side windows. Yeah, I mean, we have a constant battle with this car of everything rattling itself loose, everything solid on it. So I think in our injection system, we've rattled a few things loose and it's not running 100% right now. Still super raw. Everything that's good about this we'll keep. We'll just make it a little easier to live with. So yeah, I mean, the project's constantly evolving. We've had a blast here at LS Fest. Can't wait to come back for next year, and I don't know, we'll see what we bring. It might be a coupe version of this, might be something new, might be a different project. But yeah, we got 12 months to figure it out.